And that's one approach to achieve an all-natural look on white oak using Mr. Cornwall's creative colors and Super Duper Everlasting Oil. Today we're going to be mixing up a custom blend of pigments to create an all-natural look on white oak. The mixture is 4 tablespoons of Super Duper oil, 1.5 teaspoons of titanium white pigment, and 1/16 of the burnt ochre. Mix it up well, applying with a white pad, working it in. As you can see, very little color change in the white oak, just beautiful. Let it set up for a brief moment, and now we're buffing it off. And let's take a look. Can hardly tell that there's finish on there. Really nice for an all-natural look on white oak. Let us know what other colors you might like to see, and we'll make some custom blends up in some more videos.